Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change your BMW 4 Series key battery. It's a simple process that you can do yourself in just a few minutes. First, let's gather the necessary items. You will need a fresh CR2450 coin battery, which is readily available at most electronics stores. Additionally, a small flathead screwdriver or your key's emergency blade will be helpful for opening the fob. Now that you have your tools, the first step is to access the emergency key. Look for a small, often black, button on the side of your key fob. Press this button down firmly. As you hold it, gently pull the metal emergency key blade out from the bottom of the fob. This key is essential for the next step, so keep it handy. With the emergency key removed, you can now open the key fob's casing. Locate the small slot or indentation on the edge of the fob where the emergency key was housed. Insert the tip of your emergency key or the small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Apply gentle pressure and twist slightly to carefully pry the two halves of the fob apart, revealing the battery compartment. You're almost done. Gently lift out the old, depleted battery. Take your new CR2450 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Once the new battery is in place, align the two halves of the key fob and press them together until they securely snap shut. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its slot until you hear a click, and your key fob is ready to go.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.